Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Hamza Javed, and in this video we'll be training our CNN model that we built in the past couple of videos. Just to give you a quick recap, in the previous video we learned about convolution and pooling operation. We also built our convolution base and the dense layers. Then we displayed a summary of our model, and lastly, we compiled the model. In this video, we'll be training our models. For that, I'll be calling fit function on our model. This function expects a couple of parameters. The first parameter is training data. The next one is training labels. Next is validation split. There are a couple of ways for performing validation testing. One way to do it is provide the validation data and labels. The other one is just specify the training data and training labels and just specify a percentage of dataset you want to use as a validation dataset. The last one is going to be epochs. Epochs is a number of times the entire dataset passes through the network. Let's go ahead and run this block, and this is going to take a couple of minutes depending upon your CPU or GPU. So the training is completed, and as you can see we have trained for 30 epochs. The accuracy on the training set is 100%, but don't really get happy because the validation accuracy is 55, which is not very good. Let's go ahead and display the matrix on the screen, but that will be using Matplotlib. The information about the accuracy, validation accuracy, loss, and validation loss could be found in this history object. Next, all we need to do is print a plot using Matplotlib. Let me show you how you can read this plot. The dot represent the training accuracy, and as you can see it moved from around 50% to 100%. But over here you can see the validation accuracy is fluctuating between 50, 60 and 55%. The next is training and validation loss. The training loss has moved from 0.7 to 0, which is good, but the validation loss is going upwards, which is not a very good sign. Before we conclude this video, let's go ahead and get some predictions from our model. Let's choose the image on 66th index from our training data. We'll call it test image. We'll pass the test image to the predict function called on our model, and this would return us predictions. Over here we are fetching the predicted class. Next we are also going to print the mapping of cats and dogs. Lastly, we are going to display the image on the screen. So the predicted class is 1, and as you can see 1 means it's a dog. In the image it's actually a dog. Okay, the model is performing fine, but we can't be really sure because the validation accuracy is 55%. We need to improve it somehow, and one way to do it is using a pre-trained model and fine-tuning it. So this was it from this video. Now you understand how to train a convolutional neural network. In the next video, we'll be leveraging a pre-trained model and fine-tune it. So I'll see you in the next video. So people, that's about it from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new. In case you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And in case you think that the video taught you something new, please share it with your juniors and your peers. Also, if you want to see more similar videos, please subscribe.